What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here, as you can see, we have EAR or EIR, um, EAR actually, or Eargo INC. This is the weekly time frame, and today it does seem like this thing is up around approximately around 60, close to 60%, but around 56. That said, let's just take a look at it, all right? First of all, we can see that we're in this weekly range right here that we broke the structure. So yeah, we're definitely bearish in this weekly range. Then we're coming into the daily time frame, and we're actually shifting bullish right here. So this is why I actually give a fuck. These most recent breaks, like bam here and here, that indicates me a pure bullish upside moves. So yeah, I definitely like we broke the structure first of all here, and then we just continue to come higher. Now I'm gonna go even to the lower time frame to see what we actually are having on here. 1 hour is coming from somewhere below there. 15 minutes. Okay, so this is what we have. Yeah, we broke above that. We have broken above that high. So if the price ever comes back into here, I will definitely. So we need this candle to close this 15-minute candle. It does seem like it will be closing in around 9 minutes or so. And if it closes above, I'm definitely going to be bullish. I'm looking for these new highs to get cleared. So this is going to be my prediction for right now. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. And this is me for Eargo. Have a wonderful day.